I'm ready when you are.
We're ready.
Go ahead.
Hi! We're here with our Celltacular cell model.
The watermelon acted as our cell membrane. The cell membrane's job is to protect the cell and keep unwanted things out while letting other things in. And then on the inside we have this stuff.
This stuff.
And we ended up using Jello for our cytoplasm, that dark blue stuff. Cytoplasm is the gel-like fluid inside the cell. Cytoplasm provides a platform for the other organelles to operate on. All functions for cell expansion, such as growth and replication. And we used an apple to pretend to be our nucleus. The nucleus carries the genes or DNA for the rest of the cell. The nucleus also acts as a site of synthesis for ribosomes. Our ping pong ball is our nucleolus. The nucleolus helps facilitate ribosomes biogenesis by processing and assembling RNA or ribosomal RNA into